This morning we're going to be replacing a hive. This afternoon, I should say, it's about noon Albuquerque time. We're going to be replacing a traditional entrance, which has the smaller sizes and the larger size, or you just remove it. With this entrance, and what I like about this entrance, I want to talk about what it's intended to do. It's intended to draw the bees out through this screen and to draw them in through here, hopefully reducing a little bit of traffic, allowing the guard bees to have control over a small area, and allow for a lot more ventilation, like equivalent of the ventilation of having no entrance at all, which is good for the summer. Here's a traditional robbing screen, so it allows a lot of ventilation, and the bees come out this. The issue is it's hard for them to sort of learn it and get orientated. It takes them a while to orientate themselves to it, and the entrance, of course, is really reduced. And there's, you can make this a lot bigger, so that would be one way to solve it. But anyway, this is just a different model that I'm going to experiment with and just see if I can sort of create a traffic situation here of an entrance and an exit. So yeah, we always want to start with a little smoke, of course. It's not a major operation, so I'm going to keep the smoke pretty minimal, because it can also irritate them. Have it handy just in case. This is a really strong hive. And I wouldn't want to kick them off too much. It's going to be a little tricky to get out. I'm going to try to minimize the impact you have. Part of it is eventually I want to get it just so I can slide it out with my hand. In a pretty mindful way. And then inserting this can be tricky because there's a lot of activity and you don't want to crush the bees. So this has to be done really slowly. And work it in. I think I may have got, unfortunately, one casualty, which never feels good, but there we have it. And we'll check on it again. The idea is that they're all going to be entering. We want them to all enter through here, and we want them to all start exiting through here, just to kind of control the traffic. And what that will allow us to do is possibly, be able to better monitor the hive activity because it's less chaotic, and you can see how many bees are entering and exiting. 10 o'clock Albuquerque time. It's been 23 hours.